How to save TikTok draft video to phone gallery without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to keep a draft but didn't want to share it just yet, this video is for you. Now, as many of you know, TikTok doesn't have a built-in feature that allows you to save draft to your gallery. So we need to be a little creative. Now what you can do is first open the draft video. Now here you'll see an option to click on preview. Click on it, and then this is an important step to ensure we can save the video without any watermarks. So once you've previewed the video, what you can do is swipe down the notification bar and screen record the video. However, if you don't want to screen record, another option is to post the video but change the option to only you can view the post. After that, what you can do is click on more options, scroll down, and then toggle on save to device. So after it is posted, it will be saved to your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.